What's up everybody, Dash here, and I'll be your host for today, as you can see from my fancy game show host necktie. And welcome to the Smartphone Showdown, a not-so-epic show where we take two smartphones, put them in a gladiator pit, and watch them battle it out! So, we have two contestants here today representing two smartphones. Introducing first, representing Team Realme. Ooh, this guy's a fan favorite over here at the Smartphone Showdown. You might have heard of him. I give you Brian! And next up, representing Team Vivo, John! So Brian, you've got the support of the entire crowd with you here today. But do you think you've got what it takes to defeat John?
Yes, do this!
And what about you, John? Do you think you've got what it takes to take down Brian? Alright boys, I want a fair, clean fight. You got me? Respect the tie. So you guys will be judged on three different categories: design, performance, and camera. In design, both teams carry out a public survey letting the people decide which is the better looking phone. In performance, teams are given a list of tasks that put the speed of the phones to the test. The fastest team to complete all tasks wins. In camera, teams will be required to capture photos of the same subject in a specific location. Photos will be judged purely on image quality. So you guys understand what you have to do? John, Brian, your first challenge starts now.
Alright, so we're gonna ask people which phone design is better, my Realme or your Vivo.
Talk so much about you. Anyway, we're also going to be asking people we do not know at all, and from a company that we also don't know. Okay?
Which one you like? You like my Realme or do you like the Vivo? You look at mine, you know, 133 times polish, you know.
Blue to purple.
No shapes, bro.
Look at this, sexy.
Bro, no shapes, way. See,
This
mine
is
got
better than
shapes.
that. Look at that.
Mine's got shape, and then
Mine
mine
looks better.
You
No
see?
one for me shape. You see this, Wow, diamond pattern.
Hey,
nice.
mine also got
Gradient
holographic.
sedap,
Hey,
You choose
holographic,
mine.
you know. Hey, what you just took?
Nothing.
What you just took?
Nothing.
You took from Vivo, right? Bro, choose one.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Mine or his?
It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, there we go. One for Realme, man. Okay. Realme. 2 points for
You didn't
Realme,
even
bro.
know. You didn't even consider.
2 points for Realme, man.
Yo, what is wrong with people?
Sorry, man. I'll go with Vivo lah.
Oh.
A man with taste, finally. You love me, you choose this one. Oh, you love me so much.
This one. So for the performance test, we'll be running a list of apps that we have prepared. So the first phone to finish running the apps will be declared the winner.
You're going down, Brian.
Come on.
Okay, hands where I can see them.
Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. In this category, we're going to be testing the camera performance of the Realme 5 Pro and the Vivo S1. I go first, You go. Let's go.
Alright, my turn.
So boys, the results are in. Are you guys ready to find out how you guys did? Anyway, in the first category of design, the phone that received the most votes was realme. And in the second category of performance, ready? Brace yourself. The phone that zipped through the challenge and won the category is Vivo! Alright boys, we're down to the wire. 1 point each, neck in neck. Are you guys ready? There's one more category for us to get to. Looking at the photos of both phones, both produce equally impressive images. But the Realme has the edge in terms of sharpness. While the Vivo S1 has a more contrasty image, the Realme 5 Pro produces a more natural one. And so, the winner of this category is Realme! With the 1 point for Vivo and 2 points for Realme, it's clear who the champion of this season of the Smartphone Showdown is. And your winner is You were just about to celebrate, I saw that, but don't get too excited. And you don't be so down just yet, because there's one more surprise challenge that none of you guys even saw coming. Battery life. At the start of the day, we gave each of y'all a phone with a full 100% battery percentage. Now, after completing all the challenges, this final challenge is to see how much of battery you guys still have left. So we'll start with John from Vivo. Can you tell us how much of battery you have left? No, you have to do it. It's part of the challenge. Do it. Okay. And now Brian from Realme. What's the battery percentage on your phone? And with that, the winner of the battery life challenge is Vivo! There you have it, folks. 2 points for Realme, 2 points for Vivo. What an absolute battle it has been this season at the Smartphone Showdown. But it has ended in a draw. Both sides have their strong suits, so it all depends on what you want out of a phone. Battery life, camera, the choice is in your hands. Once again, give it up for John and Brian, Realme and Vivo. I've been your host, Dash. Until next time, bye-bye.